And I just like you to get yourself comfortable, okay? So whether that is on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or maybe in a meditation posture. Again, I'm not very fussed about sitting like a monk. The most important thing is that you're comfortable. And of course, it's great if your spine is somehow straight, but the most important thing is that you can relax, okay? Okay, and then if you're ready, close your eyes. And see if just for this moment, just for this meditation, you can let the world be what it is. Putting your thoughts aside. Letting the world of Facebook be what it is for a moment. The most important thing is that we connect here with ourselves, with our bodies. So in your own personal way, arrive in your body. Maybe for you that's taking a few deep breaths. Maybe it's tuning into your body. Perhaps it's feeling the weight of your hips, your feet on the floor. And then focus your attention on your spiritual heart in the center of your chest. Really only just paying attention. Starting to focus on that area. In reality, just your essence. And if it helps you to focus, you can place your hands there. Just start to breathe into that space. Start to breathe in and out from your heart. Maybe you can feel how it expands. Maybe feeling it become bigger. Perhaps you can feel that in reality, really it's an empty space. Maybe you see a texture, a certain light. All of that is very personal. Don't need to force yourself to see or feel anything. Just start to breathe into your heart. Let your breath go in and out. Focusing on your heart. And then start to connect a bit deeper with this space. And have the intention to connect deeply with your heart. Hearing what it has to say. And as you keep on breathing in and out your heart. Feeling the breath gently move in and out. Ask your heart what it wants or has to say. See if you can do that with a gentleness. So really just having the intention to hear, to listen is enough. And as you keep your attention, your focus on your heart, breathing nice and deeply here. Tune into what your heart wants to say. We will stay here together for a couple of minutes. And don't worry if your mind starts to wander. Just gently bring your attention back to your heart. And feelings might pop up. Can be small, can be big. Memories even. See if you can just give space to what your heart wants to express, wants to release, wants to show. Really, the only thing we have to do here is to just be available for that. And if your thoughts start to drift, no worries, just very gently bring your attention back to that heart space. And you might feel that sensations start to change. Maybe your breath even starts to change. The rhythm, or you start gasping, or that is normal. Maybe you are being surprised by what is coming up. Again, just paying attention. That is enough. And no need to change anything. Just let your heart be what it is. See if you can allow it to say what it wants to say. Express itself in its own unique way. Keep on breathing deeply. Breath in and out from the heart. We stay for 1 more minute together. And now bring your hands to your heart. And just stay here for a few moments, keeping your eyes closed. Then gently release your hands from your heart. Allow your hands to rest in your lap or maybe on your legs. Then bringing your attention to your hips. Just feeling the weight of your hips, your roots. If your feet are on the floor, taking a few moments to really feel your feet and how they touch the floor, where they touch the floor. Taking a deepest in-breath, open your mouth and gently exhale. Do that 2 more times. Inhale deeply. Your exhalation, release. And last one, deep inhalation. Exhale, release. And then prepare yourself to come out of this meditation. Keeping your eyes closed for a few more moments. Maybe making stretches in your body. Shoulder rolls, any stretches in your hands, your fingers, maybe your feet, your toes. You might have your own routine of coming out of a meditation. A last few moments here with your eyes closed. And then when you feel ready, then very gently open your eyes.